Hello everyone, my name is Clifford Pierre, a neurosurgery fellow at Swedish Neuroscience Institute and Seattle Science Foundation. Here's what's happening this week at SSF. Dr. Olekos Theologis from the University of California, San Francisco will be giving a presentation on sacral fractures, what all spine surgeons need to know, during our interesting spine case discussion series this Tuesday evening. If you're a high school junior, senior, or college student, we would love to invite you to register for our summer research internship and mini medical school taking place in July this summer. These academic summer opportunities offer a hands-on learning experience for students that are interested in pre-medicine or pre-health and other related fields. You'll get a hands-on experience in our state-of-the-art cadaver bioskills lab. You'll also get a chance to interact and network with physicians and like-minded students. Get a jump start on your career in medicine today. Please register at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting Seattle Science Foundation.